Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, the last time we study that the moon is the natural satellite of our earth. It is the nearest to earth, and it is brightest object in the sky after the sun. It has large craters, depressions. It has no atmosphere, and no life is possible on the moon. And the gravitational force pull is 1/6 that of the earth. Today we will discuss the phases of the moon. Dear students, as we know that the moon it revolves around the earth and it emits light during the night time, and during the daytime it absorbs light from the sun. As you know that it rotates around the earth. So the part of the moon that faces towards the earth and some part is away from the earth. During its rotation, it gives light to some parts and it gives light to other parts in other times. So that is why we see there are different phases of moon. The moon is a non-luminous object. Non-luminous means it has no light of its own. It has no light of its own. It only reflects the light of the sun falling on its surface. So it reflects the light which the moon absorbs from the sun during the daytime. When this reflected light reaches the earth, we see moon. So only a part of moon is visible which reflects the sunlight towards the earth. So only that part of moon is visible which reflects the light towards the earth. So we can see only that part of the earth which part of the moon reflects light towards the earth. So on a new moon day, the moon is between sun and the earth. So on a new moon day, जब पहला दिन होगा मून का, तो उस दिन मून सन और अर्थ के दरमियान होती है. Thus the reflected light from the moon does not reach the earth, and hence it is not visible. It means when in the moon day, in the beginning of the moon is between the sun and the earth, with which the reflected light from the moon it does not reaches to the earth, and hence it is not visible. In a way, the dark side of moon is facing us on a new moon day, or we can see the dark side of moon when it is rotating towards the earth, and the dark side is facing towards us on the new moon day. So the night just after the new moon day we see a crescent moon. So after the new moon day we see a crescent. A crescent means Chan. Just this it is because only reflected light from the crescent part reaches the earth. It means the part of light which reaches the earth, we may able to see only that part of the moon which reflects the light towards the earth. The rest of the moon is only faintly visible because of the sunlight reflected from the earth also falls on the moon's disk. So the other part of the moon we will see, but it looks like a faintly. It is because the reflected light from the sun also falls on the moon, and this reflected light helps us to see that faint part of the moon, and we will see the moon fully only with that part which part reflects the light. So dear students, what will happen? The crescent goes on increasing. It means the crescent which we will see after the new moon day, it will go on increasing till the fifth day from the new moon. It means from first day of the month to the 14th day, the crescent will increase. The bright face of the moon is visible. On this way, the earth is between the sun and the moon, such that the night side of earth is facing the day or side of the moon. This is called a full moon. So on the 14th day, all the moon is seen on the sky. It is because the whole part of the moon that faces towards the earth is emitting its light, and this is called a full moon. So after the 14 days, we will see the full moon in the night sky. Then this gradually increase in bright disk of the moon is called a waxing of the moon. So waxing of the moon means generally increase in the brightness. So in the first day and there is a small moon, then its size will increase, then its size will increase, then its size will increase, and the 14th day it looks like a full moon, that we call as a full moon. And this increase in the disk of the moon is called waxing of the moon. So dear students, we will discuss the then what happens to moon after the 14 days, this we will we discuss in another video. Dear student, stay connected, stay at home, stay safe. Allah bless you all.